Welcome back to Addictive Tips, the channel where tech becomes simple. In today's guide, we'll show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows 11 so you can start running virtual machines like a pro. Whether you're into testing software, isolating workspaces, or just exploring other OS setups, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's make sure your PC is compatible with Hyper-V. Hyper-V is only available on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions, so if you're running Windows 11 Home, this feature won't be available. To check your edition, go to Start, click on Settings, then navigate to System, and select About. Under Windows Specifications, look for the field labeled Edition. Next, we need to confirm that virtualization is enabled on your machine. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then click on the Performance tab and select CPU. On the right-hand side, look for Virtualization. If it says Enabled, you're good to go. If it says Disabled, don't worry, just restart your PC, enter the BIOS or UEFI settings during boot, and enable virtualization under the CPU configuration. Once that's done, you're ready to install Hyper-V. There are two ways to do this, using the Windows Features dialog or PowerShell. We'll show both first. Let's use the Windows Features method. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type Optional Features and press Enter. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and find Hyper-V. Check the box next to it. Expand Hyper-V and make sure both sub-options are selected. Hyper-V Management Tools and Hyper-V Platform. Click OK and restart your PC when prompted. Prefer the command line. You can also enable Hyper-V using PowerShell. After running this command, restart your system. Once your PC reboots, it's time to launch Hyper-V Manager. Click on Start and search for Hyper-V Manager. You can pin it to the taskbar for quick access. This is where you can create and manage virtual machines, set up networking, and install different operating systems. And that's it. You've successfully installed Hyper-V on Windows 11. You're now ready to explore virtual machines, test environments, or even sandbox entire operating systems, all safely from your host PC. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. We're here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to Addictive Tips for more tech tutorials, walkthroughs, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching.